Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Code with Maddie. In this learning series, we are learning about Java 11 features. In this video, we are going to cover string methods. As you know, Java 11 introduced several useful string methods that enhance string manipulation. In this video, we are going to explore all the string methods with an example. isBlank method checks if a string is empty or contains only whitespace characters. It returns true for empty strings or those with only whitespace, making it easy to validate input. The lines method splits a multi-line string into a stream of lines, allowing you to process each line individually. This is particularly useful for handling text data in spans multiple lines. The strip method provides powerful alternatives to the traditional trim. The strip method removes both leading and trailing whitespace, whereas stripLeading removes only leading whitespace, while stripTrailing removes only trailing whitespace, ensuring that strings are clean for processing. The strip indent method removes common leading whitespace from each line of multi-line string, preserving the intended structure while eliminating unnecessary indentation. The repeat method generates a new string by repeating the original string a specified number of times. It simplifies the process of creating repeated patterns without needing loops. Let's jump into coding demonstration for better understanding. In this example, we have implemented string methods to perform string manipulation. First, we have implemented isBlank method, which will check for empty string. Second, we have implemented the lines method, which will separate the string hello world and Java 11 and print in separate lines. Next, we have used strip method to remove the white spaces in the string hello world, and stripLeading to remove the space in the front, and stripTrailing to remove the space at back. Next, we have used repeat method to repeat the string Java for 3 times. Next, we have used indent, which will remove the space from the string and indent the given string. Let's run this code to check the result. In this result, we can see isBlank method has returned false and lines method has separated the string hello world and Java 11 and printed them in different lines. And strip methods removed the space from the string hello world, and stripLeading removed the space on the front, stripTrailing removed the space at the back, and repeat method has repeated the string Java for 3 times, and strip indent method has removed the space from the string and indented the text. I hope you like the content. If you like the content, like, share and subscribe our channel Code with Maddie.